Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla attacking a donut truck. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our pink Godzilla with a donut truck, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start here and we're just going to begin by making a line that's just going to come straight up at a diagonal. Then we're just going to go down and up with a smile. And then we're just going to go down and up here with another smile. Next, let's curve this line up for the eyebrow. And let's curve another line up here for the other eyebrow. Let's bring this line around here and up into a smile. Then let's curve another line down for the other eye. Let's make 2 dots for the nose. And then let's curve a line here. Next, let's go down, and we're going to come around and then curve to here. Now let's put some teeth in here. We're going to make some big, sharp, pointy Godzilla teeth. And then same thing at the bottom, some big, sharp, pointy Godzilla teeth. Then we'll just curve this line up. And we can put a second line here. Let's make a little bump right around here. And then underneath this eye, we're going to make a little curve here. Now, starting here, let's curve a line for the head, and we're going to bring this to here. Then we're going to bring this line down and out to here. Let's curve a line here for part of the mouth. And let's curve this line down. Right here, let's curve a line for the arm. And we're going to go 1, 2, and then 3 lines. And then we're going to bring it back up here. Now we're going to make him holding a little donut truck. So we're just going to bring this line over to here. We're going to go up at a diagonal. And then we're just going to bring this line back here. Next we're going to go down. And we're going to bring this over. Then we're going to bring this down. Now let's draw another diagonal here. Then we'll make 2 diagonal lines here. And connect it. Next we're going to go down and over. And then we're going to connect to here and connect to here. Then we're going to make a little circle right here for the tire. Then we're going to draw a line here and here. Then we're going to make 2 lines for the windshield. And 2 little circles. Then we're going to make a little square. And then over here we're going to make another circle for the other tire. We'll just kind of color some of that in. Now for the donut, let's just draw a circle shape here. And then a small one inside. And then 2 curves here. And then a little wiggly line here. Now let's continue on the body of our Godzilla. So I'm going to start here. We're going to bring this line down. Then we're going to bring a line down here. We're going to bring this out to a point and back. And then we're going to do one here, and then a small one here. Then we're going to curve this in. And then let's add some curves right across here. Then we're going to make a line down, a point here, and then a point here for the other foot, and a couple little curves for the claws. Next, we're going to bring this line down and up to here. Then we're going to bring this line to here. Now we want to add some of the spikes on here. So we're just going to make 1 and 2 little points. We're going to do a big one in the middle, and then a couple more little points. So a few here, big one, and then a couple more. And we're just going to do that all around here. So we're just going to put a few of these spikes. We'll make them a little bit smaller as they get farther down. Then I'm just going to bring this line in a little farther. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this line down. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon Godzilla with a donut truck. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.